Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this box, pretty nondescript, but inside we have a couple of extender wires here. So we have two very long wires, and we have the little hooks to hook them up to the wall. So I'm going to show you what these are and how they would work. These would be great for my cameras, my little Wyze cameras, because those are micro USB, and I need to get them very far away. So that's what this will do here. So here we can see I got about 5 feet, so it looks like each of these are going to be a 10-foot extender. And what it does is you just plug it in their USB-C side on there, and then the other side there, so you can get an extra 10 feet of it, and you got two of these. You could actually probably go 20 feet plus whatever other distance you need. So these are kind of cool. And then it gives you the ability here with these little tacks. You can just tack them all up, and you can have them all hidden away. So pretty cool. So I like these little extender wires. So I'm gonna use these, I guess, in my office. My office is where I have a couple of micro USB devices. I'm sitting here in my office at home here. Everything here is USB-C. So just don't happen to have anything to show you with it right now. But that's what these things look like, and it's nice to have these. So if you need to pick some of these up, I'm gonna give you a certain link below. Thumbs up. Links in the description. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.